Welcome to my world. I hate folding laundry as much as I do. It's one of my least favorite jobs. And I'm not motivated to be doing this today. So we're going to quickly get it done. Putting undergarments into separate piles on who belongs where. To help you get motivated to get little things done this morning before the day gets away with you. Have your dinner thawing. We're picking a rotisserie up, so I don't have to worry about that. And get it done. Why put off things when you can get them done? Make the bed? Well, just dive right in and get it made. This bed is really easy to make because my kid doesn't like the flat sheet. And it's ready for tonight. You're done. The socks are paired. And you get things put away. Same thing with dishes. You don't want to do them, get them done. Take a before and after picture to motivate you. Same thing with dishes. You don't want to do them, just do them, get them done. Wash your sink out after your dishes. Then wipe it down with a clean tea towel. And it's empty and ready to go for the next meal. I try to do my dishes after all meals and snacks, depending on how many are in the sink at the time. And I wash my sink in the morning and in the evening if I'm not exhausted. And always hang it to dry. The clean sink.